In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with Asana for Outlook. We'll walk through the process inside Asana first, and then finish the setup in the Microsoft environment. By the end, you'll have the integration ready so you can turn emails into tasks and keep your work organized without jumping between tools. Start by opening your Asana workspace in your browser and navigating to the project where you want to set this up. Make sure you're signed in with the account you actually use for your daily work. Once the project is open, look toward the top of the screen for the project header area. This is where you'll usually see the project name, views, and options. In that header, click on the area that opens the project options. Depending on your layout, this might look like a drop-down arrow or a small icon next to the project name. The goal is to open the menu where you can adjust how this project behaves and which tools are connected to it. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open a panel or window where you can configure different aspects of the project. Give it a moment to load and then look for the section labeled Apps. This is where Asana lets you manage integrations and connections to other tools, including Outlook. Click on Apps to open that section. Here, you should see a list of available integrations, or at least an option to browse and connect new ones. Find the option related to Outlook or the Asana for Outlook integration. When you see it, click on Connect. This tells Asana you want to link your project or workspace with Outlook so the two systems can talk to each other. After you click Connect, Asana will typically redirect you or open a new tab that takes you to the Microsoft Marketplace page for Asana for Outlook. On that page, look for the button that says Get It Now. Click Get It Now to start installing the add-in into your Outlook account. Once you've done that, Microsoft will walk you through a series of prompts. Just follow and fill in the required information to complete the integration. This usually includes confirming your Microsoft account, granting permissions so Outlook and Asana can share data, and choosing where the add-in should be available, such as Outlook on the web or the desktop app. When you finish those prompts, the integration is set up. You can now use Asana for Outlook to create and manage tasks directly from your inbox, keeping everything synced with your projects in Asana.